acre on the side here. Oh, this is a very familiar place. I think BJ Truckspots actually goes out here. Park Lee Sand and Soil. Yeah, here I am. McGrath's Hill. Very skinny, very nice. Part of our On the Road series. Weekend on that one. Windsor. Wow. Windsor Road. Turtle. Kenny. Windsor Road. Parkway Sand and Soil.
Pub used to be there. It burnt down. The one on the. That's where they took me. Got
Oh wow. There we are, Box Hill. Windsor Road. Mad Dog. Rouse Hill. Still at Rouse Hill. Sunny Hold Road, Kings Park. Sunny Hold Road, Blacktown.
Oh yeah, you've got plenty of money, mate.
Yeah, check out that Kenny. Up here at Glennie.
I've never seen one like that before.
Now that's Freightliner Cassanta.
It's nice.
It's a smaller cab. Ooh, nice. Check out this nice Eddie. It's a nice Kenworth right there. Nice. Hustle Grove. Shelby. That's a regular I see normally on the M7 motorway. Yeah. Kings Park, early morning. Kings Park.
Oh, look at the traffic.
This guy again. Sunny Hold Road, Blacktown. Friday the 17th of July. Richmond Road. Road Glenning. Pluntum. Primary Connect, Volvo. Transport up there. Looking freight lines. Ooh, that's a new one. That's a new one. Trans Text Transport. Thank you very much for watching this latest episode of Don's Truckspotting Australia Adventures via my YouTube channel Australia Worldwide Entertainment. Please do the right thing and like and subscribe today. Turn the notification bell on and check out 2 dedicated Don's Truckspotting Australia playlists today. One for our daily shorts that we post and one for our full-length episodes and other full-length videos of truck spotting from the land down under. We'll see you on our next episode.